Bringing a kitten into your home is one of the most heartwarming experiences, but it also comes with an immense responsibility. These tiny creatures, full of curiosity and energy, depend on you entirely for their safety, health, and happiness. From the moment they arrive, your role as a caregiver begins, and the first few months are critical in shaping their growth and personality. The first step in caring for a kitten is creating a safe and welcoming environment. Kittens are naturally curious and prone to getting into trouble. Kitten-proofing your home is essential to prevent accidents. Remove small objects they could swallow, secure electrical cords, and block off tight spaces where they could get trapped. Keep toxic plants, chemicals, and sharp objects out of reach. Designate a quiet, secure area for your kitten to retreat to, especially during the first few days as they adjust to their new surroundings. This space should include a comfortable bed, a food and water dish, and a clean litter box. A scratching post or pad will also help protect your furniture while satisfying their natural urge to scratch. Nutrition is at the heart of kitten care. During the first few weeks of life, kittens rely on their mother's milk or, if orphaned, a kitten milk replacer. This provides the vital nutrients needed for rapid growth. By the time they are about 4 weeks old, they can start transitioning to solid food. Begin with a high-quality, kitten-specific wet food mixed with a small amount of warm water to create a soft consistency. Gradually reduce the water content as they grow accustomed to eating. By 8 weeks, most kittens are ready for a balanced diet of kitten food, whether wet or dry. Always ensure fresh water is available, and avoid feeding adult cat food, which lacks the nutrients kittens need. Consult your veterinarian for specific recommendations based on your kitten's breed, weight, and overall health. Socialization is another crucial aspect of kitten care. These early months are the perfect time to introduce them to the sights, sounds, and experiences of their environment. Gentle handling and regular interaction with people help build trust and prevent fearfulness. Expose them gradually to other pets in the household, ensuring these introductions are supervised and positive. Playtime is essential for bonding and for their physical and mental development. Interactive toys like feather wands, laser pointers, and small balls mimic hunting behavior and keep them engaged. Rotate toys regularly to keep their interest and avoid boredom. Litter training usually comes naturally to kittens, as they have an instinct to bury their waste. Start by placing them in the litter box after meals and naps, and gently guide them if needed. Choose an unscented, clumping litter, as kittens can be sensitive to strong fragrances. Clean the litter box daily, as cleanliness encourages consistent use. If accidents happen, avoid scolding them. Instead, clean the area thoroughly and guide them back to the litter box. Some kittens prefer open boxes, so avoid covered ones until they're older and more comfortable with their surroundings. Regular veterinary care is fundamental to a kitten's health and well-being. Schedule their first checkup as soon as possible to ensure they are healthy and to set up a vaccination plan. Core vaccines protect against diseases such as feline distemper, feline herpesvirus, and calicivirus. Your vet will also check for parasites like fleas, ticks, and worms, which are common in kittens. Spaying or neutering is an important step to consider, as it not only prevents unwanted litters but also reduces the risk of certain cancers and behavioral issues. Microchipping your kitten during one of these early visits is also a wise investment, increasing the chances of finding them if they ever get lost. Grooming is not just about keeping your kitten looking their best, it's also essential for their health. Long-haired breeds, in particular, benefit from regular brushing to prevent mats and tangles. Even short-haired kittens should be brushed weekly to remove loose fur and reduce shedding. Start grooming your kitten early to get them accustomed to the process. Check their ears weekly for signs of wax buildup or irritation, and clean them with a vet-approved solution if needed. Nail trimming every 2 to 3 weeks is another important part of grooming, especially if they don't naturally wear down their claws through play and scratching. Kittens are incredibly energetic and curious, which means their needs will evolve as they grow. In the beginning, they may sleep up to 20 hours a day, but as they develop, their waking hours will be filled with exploration and play. Providing a stimulating environment is key to their happiness. Cat trees, tunnels, and puzzle feeders keep them physically active and mentally engaged. Rotate toys regularly to maintain their interest and prevent boredom. Observing and responding to their behavior is crucial. If they seem lethargic, disinterested in food, or exhibit other signs of distress, contact your veterinarian promptly. Lastly, building a strong bond with your kitten is one of the most rewarding parts of pet ownership. Speak to them in a gentle tone, reward good behavior with treats or affection, and be patient during training. Kittens thrive on positive reinforcement and consistency. While it's tempting to spoil them, setting boundaries early ensures they grow into well-mannered adult cats. Remember, every kitten has a unique personality, and understanding their individual quirks and preferences will deepen your connection. Caring for a kitten is a journey filled with joy, discovery, and the occasional challenge. With love, patience, and the right knowledge, you'll nurture a happy, healthy companion who will bring endless smiles to your life. The time and effort you invest now will pay off in the form of a strong bond and a thriving cat who feels loved and secure. Beyond the basics of nutrition, grooming, and play, there are additional aspects of kitten care that often go overlooked but are equally vital to ensuring their well-being. Emotional support, environmental enrichment, and a proactive approach to health can all contribute to a thriving, happy kitten. Kittens, like humans, have emotional needs. They can feel stress, fear, and loneliness, especially during transitions such as leaving their mother and siblings. To help them feel secure, maintain a consistent routine, feed them at the same times each day, play with them regularly, and ensure their living space remains calm and predictable. If your household is particularly active or loud, provide them with a quiet retreat where they can relax. A cozy cat bed, a blanket with familiar scents, or even a box can be a safe haven for them. Environmental enrichment is crucial for a kitten's mental and physical health. Beyond toys, think about creating vertical spaces such as shelves or cat trees. Kittens love to climb and observe their surroundings from a height, as this behavior mimics their natural instincts. Window perches can provide endless entertainment, especially if there's a view of birds or squirrels outside. Introducing new textures, smells, and objects into their environment keeps their curiosity piqued and prevents boredom. Rotating toys, adding new scratching surfaces, or occasionally hiding treats around the house can turn their environment into an exciting playground. Training is another aspect of kitten care that is often underestimated. While many people think cats cannot be trained, they are, in fact, highly intelligent and can learn a variety of behaviors. Use positive reinforcement techniques to teach them to come when called, respond to their name, or even perform simple tricks. This not only strengthens your bond but also provides mental stimulation. Training sessions should be short and engaging, using treats, praise, or toys as rewards. Health monitoring is an ongoing responsibility. Observe your kitten daily for changes in behavior, appetite, or energy levels. Early signs of illness, such as diarrhea, vomiting, sneezing, or lethargy, should never be ignored. Dental care is another critical yet often neglected part of kitten care. Start brushing their teeth while they are young to get them accustomed to the process. Use a vet-recommended toothpaste and toothbrush designed for cats. Good dental hygiene can prevent problems such as gum disease and tooth loss later in life. Socialization isn't just about interaction with humans and other pets, it also involves acclimating your kitten to various situations they may encounter as adults. Exposing them to car rides, carrier travel, grooming tools, and even the vacuum cleaner helps reduce anxiety and fear in these situations. The earlier these introductions happen, the more adaptable your kitten will be. Reward calm behavior during these experiences to reinforce their confidence. Understanding your kitten's body language is key to building a strong relationship. Cats communicate through subtle signals, such as the position of their ears, tail, and whiskers, as well as through vocalizations like meows and purrs. A swishing tail or flattened ears might indicate discomfort or stress, while a slow blink signals trust and affection. Paying attention to these cues helps you respond to their needs and emotions effectively. As your kitten grows, their needs will change. By the time they reach 6 months of age, they may begin to exhibit more independence and territorial behavior. This is a good time to reinforce boundaries, such as where they can and cannot climb or scratch. Regular vet visits remain essential during this stage, as their vaccination schedule may extend into this period. Discussing their transition to adult cat food and adjusting portion sizes are also important topics to address with your veterinarian. Caring for a kitten is an evolving process that requires dedication, patience, and love. Each kitten is unique, and understanding their individual quirks and preferences deepens your connection. The time and effort you invest during their early months will set the stage for a lifetime of companionship and affection. With the right care, your tiny feline friend will grow into a confident, healthy cat who brings joy to your life every day.